In this presentation, we want to show you our company. The name is Royal Free Nature, and this one is our company's logo. Royal Free Nature is a restaurant free nature production and sales company established in Australia. We mainly use the most natural materials in Australia to make the safest and most fashionable dinner free nature. Mainly include dinner table, chairs, and dinner room cabinet, and so on. Our furniture is made primarily of Australian wood. Tasmania oak is a dense, wasteland, and hardwood that is ideal for table and dinner furniture. Its wood was chosen to make our furniture strong and durable, granting its service life, reduce the environmental damage caused by the replacement. Royal Free Nature Company at this stage of market size is not mattering. We have a 400 square foot office in central Melbourne to cater to the company's meeting and product design needs. In order to achieve a product design and production, we have a warehouse in suburban Melbourne in order to solve the strong problem. There is also to complement free nature production line and a logistic system to be improved. Of course, the company, in order to achieve the operation of the Croatia market, we also have a purchase in Croatia. The production process include 1. By natural Australia timber. 2. Transport timber to the warehouse. 3. According to the design drawing for cutting wood process. 4. Doing supply testing. 5. Check the product and pack it up for shipment. Royal Free Nature is mainly aimed at the Croatia market, so the company depends online sales. The domestic bridge is responsible for product planning and online presentation. Customers can choose their favorite product online. After online payment, we provide transportation service. We mainly use air and road transport to transport products.
Our company operation structures include 3 parts. Functional structure is distributed company via specialty. Divisional structure is individual company in Croatia belongs to Royal Furniture Company. Metric function is employees report both managers and project manager. Our competitive strategy is using environmental friendly material, new design, and high quality. We also cooperate with local manufacturer. Our target country is Croatia. Croatia is a high-income market economy. Major economic data for 2018. Croatian GDP is $60.8 billion. GDP growth rate is 2.8% and GDP per capita is $14,878. So our company will offer middle and high-end with high-quality products for Croatian consumers. There are several laws cover the sale, manufacture, and import of furniture in Croatia, which include European Union Trade Regulation, European Timber Regulation, Conforming European, and European Registration Evaluation Authorization and Restriction of Chemical Regulation. We need to strictly observe all the laws and conditions of furniture production. In addition, currently, Croatian furniture industry has developed rapidly, so our company have greater opportunity to generate profit in the Croatian market.
Here we're looking at the similarities and differences between Australia and Croatia. The 2 major similarities, according to Hofstede's website, were masculinity and uncertainty avoidance, and the 2 major differences being individualism and long-term orientation. And the text there has a better description of what all of these mean, but mostly positive in terms of collaboration opportunities between the 2 countries. So why expand here? So since 2018, Croatia has been working towards improving their overall economic competitiveness. It'll help Royal Furniture to establish foreign investment opportunities, gain a competitive advantage, and also diversify their assets by expanding internationally. And these international markets can be advantageous through the introduction of unique products and services to suit each market. The overarching strategy that can be used to enter the market is an economic imperative, in particular a leadership strategy, which involves mass production, allowing us to achieve enormous economics of scale, which also drive down unit cost of production, meaning that we can sell lowly priced products and services for consumer markets, which will work nicely with the Croatian target market that we're aiming for. Furthermore, the primary entry strategy we're looking at using is through direct exporting, which involves employing an agent or distributor who has the rights to sell your product overseas. It's a safe entry method for us because it's cost effective, it's highly flexible, and we can easily withdraw from the market if we're unsuccessful. Some of the major drawbacks would be there's low control over distribution of products and services internationally because it's done through a distributor, and quality standards would have to meet. So management's role within the Australian entity will still remain the same. The idea is to promote or hire a new manager to handle international operations, and they'll ultimately be responsible for collaborating with distributors and overseeing the exportation process of products and services in Croatia, and also ensuring that our products meet the required quality standards.
Within its Australian borders, Royal Furniture already employs sustainable development goals of 8, which is decent work and economic growth, as well as gender equality. Moving into Croatia, we want to continue this and also employ the Sustainable Development Goal of 13 and 15, which is climate action and life on the land.
There are two potential challenges that our organization facing outsourcing production to a manufacturing company in Croatia. The first challenge will be language difference. The Australia official language is English, while Croatia official language is Croatian. The solution to this problem is that if manufacturer does not understand English well, we will hire a translator to ensure that both the manufacturer and ourselves fully understand our agreement. The second challenge for our company is ensuring that product quality standards are fully satisfy the condition of Croatia legal quality standard. The solution to this is depending on our budget. We will be regular visits to the manufacturer in Croatia to monitor furniture quality. If our budget does not allow us to do this, we will require the manufacturer to send us a product sample to ensure that a consistent quality is being kept.
When we're talking about the extra financial costs that will be involved in moving this operation offshore, the biggest one will be the transport of the goods from Australia over to Croatia. It's going to be about $10,000 for a 40-foot container. Yes, they'll be able to fit plenty of product in a 40-foot container, but this $10,000 needs to be somehow offset. The best way to do this is increase the price of the product in Croatia just slightly. This means that the bottom line of the business won't be affected too heavily. When we're looking at new human resource challenges, the main one that comes to mind is the time zone adjustment. So Melbourne is 8 hours ahead of Croatia, meaning if there's any issues with something that happens with the product over there, they're going to have to wait a significant amount of time before that can be resolved. And the other one is a language and communication barrier. So obviously they speak a different language. That's going to be an issue to sort through those things. Royal Furniture's needing financial input to make this vision of moving our services and product into Croatia. We're asking for an initial investment of $100,000. This is going to help with overcoming the language barrier initially, and just also setting up advertising over there to spread the word of our product.
Here is our references. Thanks for your watching.